I got nothing. We're making naan. Begin by adding 200 grams of sourdough starter, 275 grams of all-purpose flour, I ran out so I used some whole wheat, 150 grams of plain Greek yogurt, 50 grams of water, and 7 grams of salt. Combine all ingredients until it forms a shaggy dough. Then pour out onto a work surface and use the smush drag method to develop gluten. Hold on to the back of the dough and smush drag the front away from you. After about 5 minutes or so, the dough will begin to look smooth. This means you're done. Cover and leave at room temperature for at least 4 hours. I usually go for the big ol' 7 hours. This dough won't rise, so don't expect it to. Since you probably don't have a tandoor in your home, an hour before cooking, preheat your oven and baking dish to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Anything that can handle high heat and temperature shocks will work. So no Pyrex or pizza stones. I broke 2 pizza stones within a 3-week period because of these. Although it was worth it, stick with a pizza steel or an upside down cast iron pan, because those will work perfectly. Once up to temperature, portion the dough into similar sizes. Mine were about 100 grams each. Roll in a little olive oil or dust with some flour as you flatten the dough. No specific shape necessary, just flatten and place it on the cooking surface. Keep an eye on these. Don't leave them in there even if you think your oven's cooling off. You'll smoke out your house and bruise yourself while running to the railing trying to open all the windows. Just keep an eye on them. They'll take a minute or 2 on each side, so go by color as they bubble and blister. Finally, drizzle with melted garlic butter. Or don't, and enjoy. Pair it with your favorite Indian or Mediterranean food, or make flatbread pizza out of it. The possibilities are endless. This tangy naan is addicting and incredibly easy if you're just starting to make your own bread. These are fairly simple to make. Just watch out for sticking while you roll them out. A little flour or oil will help in that department. So have fun with it and look at this as a way to get used to working with dough. You'll be okay. Don't burn them, and you'll be okay.